Welcome to Tijuana's rental market. Today, we're diving into the vibrant Cacho neighborhood with 6 properties for everyone, from high-end luxury condos to fun urban living spaces. Enjoy! First, Icon by Cosmopolitan. This luxurious building offers a sophisticated living experience with state-of-the-art amenities and breathtaking views. The building's design perfectly blends modern architecture with comfort. A modern one-bedroom unit features sleek finishes, a fully equipped kitchen, and an open bedroom area that ensures both style and comfort. Tijuana's iconic address, where modern elegance meets urban convenience. Our next stop is Condominio La Cacho, a modern building designed with convenience in mind. It offers residents access to essential amenities and a contemporary living environment. A spacious 3-bedroom unit combines modern design with functionality, perfect for families or groups looking for a stylish and comfortable stay in Tijuana. The ultimate blend of style and space in a home that redefines modern living. Next, High Point La Cacho, a premium residential building that offers unparalleled views and luxurious amenities. High Point stands as a beacon of modern elegance in the La Cacho neighborhood. A stunning 2-bedroom unit that features an open floor plan, contemporary furnishings, and large windows that flood the space with natural light. Where luxury and breathtaking views elevate your everyday lifestyle. Things get a bit more colorful at the next property. This cute and vibrant hotel offers a unique stay in Tijuana with charming decor and a welcoming atmosphere that reflects the local culture. A 1-bedroom unit that's both cozy and stylish, perfect for travelers who want a fun, down-to-earth experience in the heart of Tijuana. Unwind in a colorful, quirky retreat that captures the essence of Tijuana's local charm. Next, a more intimate option, a separate room in a private downtown home. This setup offers a cozy and authentic experience, giving you a true taste of local living. A bedroom in this private home offers comfort and privacy while keeping you connected to the heart of Tijuana's vibrant downtown. Feel at home in a cozy, authentic space that brings you closer to Tijuana's true spirit. Our final stop takes us to a central La Cacho apartment, perfectly located over commercial spaces at a bustling intersection. This spot offers convenience and urban energy in a very dynamic area. A 2-bedroom unit is perfect for those who want to be in the center of the action, with sleek interiors and easy access to everything La Cacho has to offer. Immerse yourself in the urban pulse of La Cacho, where vibrant city life meets stylish comfort. Thank you for visiting. Remember that Southern California is international and San Diego is Tijuana. Be sure to explore our other south of the border destinations.